What up? We're out here at Ontario International Airport. We're heading out to Alaska. We're gonna load up on the flight, head to Seattle, and then head on up. Here we go. Step one, hit the lounge, load up on some breakfast. Then we loaded up on the plane and headed out to Alaska. It was a beautiful flight with amazing sights, and we were able to get there pretty quickly with just a 1 hour time difference. And we were able to get to our house in the Kastking, but we were greeted by the most Alaskan thing ever, a grizzly bear in the airport, and now it's time to get started fishing. All right, first full day here in Alaska. We're in Soldotna area, right next to the Kastking River, and we're gonna go give it a shot. It's dumping on us all morning, so hopefully this lightens up. We're gonna see if we can get a salmon. And we started off at the Kastking River, throwing spinners, looking for salmon.
That's crazy. First sign of life in the river. No, like midway. It hit good, but didn't rip anything. It gave me a head shake. I'll take it. Something. I just hooked one. I just lost it.
Did you really?
I lost one right here. I think it was a pink though. Spider! Oh, he's gone.
A lot of the bites I was getting were just small trout, but it's better than catching nothing. But we're still searching for that silver salmon, a bucket list fish for me. Got another beautiful trout here, and we're just releasing all these guys. They're not very big, but they hit that spinner hard, and it's better than catching nothing. And while I'm catching trout, Wayne hooks up on a silver salmon, and I'm only really jealous. And right after Wayne hooks up, Dad hooks up onto a silver salmon as well, and he's fighting this thing up to the shore. We forgot to bring a net, so that made it a little more difficult, but he's able to get his hands on a nice silver. And again, really jealous because this is the first day and I'm not getting anything above 12 inches.
Huh? A net would be, we should have took one of the nets from the house. They probably would have let us. You're good. I think you're good now.
Where's that club?
Nice. Keep walking this way, dude.
Come on, Bert.
While we're fishing for silvers, Aaron accidentally hooks a king and is in for the fight of his life.
That is a good one.
Between me and the shore.
What? Really?
You got him up front somewhere.
It'll get some good pictures.
Oh, you're getting him.
He's getting close. You're getting him out of the hard part, so.
Yeah. Hard part is getting the deep. Yeah, you can grab a Stratic, bro. I like it.
Yeah, he's got a Stratic too. He'll be all right.
Yeah,
There he is.
Me up when he first.
He's coming in right now.
Yeah, you had to turn. Work your way over this block up here first. Yeah, he's going upstream now.
That's good. He's a little.
That's like 2.5 feet long, dude. Yeah, all the ones I've seen swimming through here are probably about 20 pounds.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're gonna have to run down.
Eventually, this king gets him in the strong current out in the middle, and he has to chase it,
Man, he had
and
him
it does
close.
not end well. He breaks off. So I'm back throwing my spinner, hoping for a salmon. That's 3 out of us 5 have hooked up, and I'm just out here killing a little trout on accident. But see if we can get another one.
Yeah. Oh. Dolly. I smacked it.
There you go.
I absolutely ripped him with the hook set.
Low accurate then, so I kept making pee or whatever out of it and kept drinking it, and it was just making them pushing away.
So day 1, I ended up skunked on salmon, but had some awesome steaks, caught some trout, and I'm getting ready for the next day. So today we were supposed to be out on a rental boat chasing halibut, but can't really see it right now, but it is like 20 to 30 mile an hour winds out here. So that got canceled. So we hit the river, and this is how it went. All right, waders broke. Got the California waders on, got the spinners. Let's go see if we can find a silver. Got a couple trout earlier, but we need to get that salmon on board. Found a nice eddy right here, and I'm casting up into the eddy, dragging it back down, hoping that there's salmon staging there, trying to go upstream. And I get a good hit, but quickly realize it's just another dolly. This is a good size one, but still just a small dolly varden. Another slow day for me with just 1 trout, but you really can't beat Alaska. Look how beautiful this place is, and we're gonna keep trying and see if we can get that silver. All right, out here at the Anchor River, we're gonna see if we can get some silvers today or some trout or really anything. Had a rough couple days on the river so far, so let's see what we can do. The Anchor River is more similar to what I'm used to fishing in Utah, throwing this upstream, able to wade around, and we're looking around for some areas where these salmon might be staging, hoping to catch one of these silvers or even a pink. I'll be happy with anything at this point. Casting upstream here, and I hook in to a better fish. This is not a salmon, I could tell right away, but it is a better trout and still moving a step in the right direction for me. Gotta break the skunk on this trip.
Dolly. Oh. Nice dolly varden. He's been caught before for sure. Oh no, never mind. Oh, there he goes. 1 hook might have saved me on that one. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty.
Now Dad's hooked up onto a solid trout. He pulls this guy in, and he's gonna get a quick release on him, but another nice trout.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Dolly.
That's a really pretty one.
Yeah. Come on. Chill out.
Dolly varden.
Found a deep hole right here that looked like a good area for some silver salmon to stage up. And I end up actually in a little bit of a battle here with a small dolly varden that chases my lure in for like 4 casts in a row. So if you watch right where the rod tip is, you might be able to see him.
Oh.
And there it is. Little trout.
I don't know. It's brown though. Oh. Try it again. He's still there. He tried it again. Try it one more time. Got him. There's a dolly. Only took me 5 tries. Oh! He got away.
And finally, I see a salmon surface,
right
and I sight cast right to where he hit the surface up there, hoping
just hit
for a
right
bite.
here, too.
And I finally do get my bite on a silver salmon.
Over there?
No, where I was just at in the trees.
Oh, it was better? Yeah. You hook up?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Let's go. It's a silver.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe I let him go.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Do I still have him?
Yeah.
Oh, he's just charging?
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one, too.
Or is that a steelhead?
Is it full? Oh, that's okay. Let him go. Stay there.
I'm going to. Here.
You know what?
Here, record with this one.
Is it on?
It's recording now. I'm gonna need him, yeah. He's silver too.
Keep it. Here, just keep him in there. Keep him in there. Oh, good. He's off. Good.
I want to fix you.
Sorry.
There we go.
Good. Put him in.
Sit here, give him one.
Alright.
Get it. Let's go. Three more. Silver.
After landing that, my mission for Alaska was pretty much complete, but kept walking up the river, fishing the same area, and I get another bite on a solid trout.
Good dolly. Decent dolly bar in there.
I found another area right here where 2 rivers flew in together. And I'm casting here, getting a bunch of hits, but I can't tell if I'm hitting fish or if the fish are actually hitting the lure. So I keep working in this area, trying to get another bite. And I'm looking around and I've seen a few pinks in the area. So I'm hoping I can entice one of them just to check that off of the bucket list. But getting quite a few looks, seeing a bunch of fish, but getting these guys to bite was a bit of a task. And eventually I give up and I start to walk up the creek to go to the road. And this is where I see a ton of fish. And to no one's surprise, instead of casting and catching a fish, I cast and catch a tree. And I try to break it off, and in doing so, I mess my rod up. And as I walk up the river, you'll see all of the wakes and all of the fish off to the side here, and it is full of salmon. Look at them off to the left. as I'm getting unsnagged, if you look off to the left here in that calmer water, you'll see a bunch of pink salmon, like good sized ones too. And of course, I'm snagged in a tree and not able to catch any of these things. But this little creek was absolutely loaded up. Just can't wait to go back next time and target these guys. All right, so I had an amazing trip in Alaska. Later on in the day, we were able to go back lower on the Anchor River and catch a bunch more salmon. I got one more, but my GoPro was not working, so I wasn't able to get it on video, so I'll put the pictures up here. But I had an amazing trip with the old guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.